A contingency plan for critical operations is a must-have practice to ensure that untimely situations are managed smoothly. When it's about safety and comfort of thousands of occupants in commercial buildings or process cooling in manufacturing sites with high production shutdown costs, it's more than that. You can maintain, modernize or expand your infrastructure without stopping your operations or waiting for a low activity period. Think about new possibilities to get the most of your operations in buildings, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, data centers, hospitals, industrial refrigeration plants, manufacturing, exhibitions, leisure events, and more. To ensure seamless temperature control at situations of the life cycle of your building, like planned shutdowns for maintenance or equipment replacement, process seasonality or untimely emergencies, special events organization, and others, what you need is an engineered temporary solution. Johnson Controls, market leader in temperature control, offers tailored solutions enabled by our experts and a comprehensive rental fleet of chillers, heat pumps, power generators, boilers containerized, heaters, air conditioners, water pumps, and more, along with all ancillaries. Our experts are also adept at preparing contingency plans as a result of a smart asset management strategy that ensures that any untimely shutdown is professionally managed within a short restart-up time. At Johnson Controls, we understand that every solution is unique, and our design team will choose the right equipment from our large portfolio, along with its right configuration. Get rid of heavy initial investment and leave the life cycle expenditure worries to us while you focus on your core business activities. Our rental solutions service team is available round the clock to provide online technical support and on-site assistance in the shortest time possible. We help your operations run at peak performance. To ensure peak performance under all operating conditions, our fleet goes through a regular on-site and remote manufacturer maintenance schedule with control testing, advanced diagnostics, and rigorous protocols. Johnson Controls Rental Solutions helps your comfort and process facilities be safer, more productive, more efficient, and more sustainable. Let us be the power behind your mission.